Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can use a custom font in our Android Java project. Firstly, I am going to download the fonts from fonts.google. Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can use a custom font or a external TTF file in our Android Java project. We can download a font from fonts.google.com or from any other website. Here I will select some random font like this one. We can download the family now. Okay, in the zip we should have our TTF file. Okay, the next step is go to our Android project. In activity main I am going to define a text view like this, text view, and it have some ID, Android:ID equals to double quotes, inside double quotes add plus ID / and provide some identifier for that. Okay, and after that go to your Java class that related to this layout. I'm going to define a text view variable name, private text view, ID for that, and after that I can say it is equals to findViewById. Then in parentheses I can say R.id. and the ID that for our layout component in the layout file. Okay, the next step is create new folder in our app folder. Right click on your app folder, click new, select folder, click assets folder, click finish. Okay, now inside the assets folder I am going to create a new directory called fonts. Inside that fonts folder we can paste our TTF file. Click refactor. The next step is copy your TTF file name including the extension. Right click on it, click refactor, click rename, and then select everything. And after that, here in the Java code I am going to create a new object with this Typeface class. A variable name like custom font for that. I am going to set this equals to Typeface.createFromAsset. Now as the argument we have to provide the first thing as getAssets. The second argument will be after the comma the path. The path will be here fonts. We don't have to say assets folder name because here we are getting the assets, and after that fonts, then the file name which is the TTF file. Okay, now after that we can put semicolon, then I am going to say helloWorldTxt, our text view dot set typeface. It will set our custom font. As the argument we have to say our typeface name, custom font. Alright, now here let's carefully look at our layout file, and this is the default font that we see on our layout, but when we run our application it will dynamically change the font of that. Okay, now let's run. Okay, here we go. if I zoom this, you can see the font is different than our layout because it is dynamically changed. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.